So came back here to find out the cause of the basement leaking. We got some water here. You see water goes all the way back here with its ice, and it continues to go back here. Alright, this is gonna be crazy. On the footprints, walking back into this house next to me that's been abandoned, and you have people move in and take over it and stuff. People broke out the front windows. So we're in the back. We got some more ice water here, more water here. We trace the water back to its source, and we come in here and look at this. This is crazy. It's like a ice skating rink in the basement. Holy crap.